So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to spot newly launched tokens on CoinMarketCap so you can purchase those tokens early enough in order to be a part of the massive pump involved with these tokens so you can make the most amount of money for yourselves within 24 hours or less. All right, so make sure to stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV. And what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified. And then you're going to quickly open to it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Alright guys, so here we are on the CoinMarketCap website homepage right now. So the very first step you need to take before you can start making money right here on CoinMarketCap is going over to coinmarketcap.com, as you can see up here, and then you actually need to register an account. So when you're actually done registering an account, the next step would be hitting on this three dash right here at the top right corner of my screen. Just simply hit on it. Okay, and over here that says cryptocurrencies, you just simply hit on it. It's going to load up. So you scroll down, and over here that says recently added, you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, so here we are. All right, okay, so before we proceed, guys, for those of you who are actually beginners who doesn't know the functionalities of the CoinMarketCap, the CoinMarketCap is a website that provides real-time data on cryptocurrencies, including their prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes. It's essentially a platform that tracks and ranks cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization, which is the total value of all outstanding coins or tokens. Okay, so let's assume you now know what the CoinMarketCap is as a total crypto beginner. So right now, let's actually get down into the business of the day. Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, this coin right here called Shizo Terminal. As you can see, the coin price is 0.02091. In 1 hour, this coin has gone up to 4.04%, as you can see right here. And in 24 hours, this coin has gone up to 41.50%. Okay, the fully diluted market cap right here is actually $20,905,312, as you can see right here. Right here says that the total volume of this coin is actually $3,135,280. Okay, and the blockchain for this token right here is actually the Solana blockchain. And the last column right here says that this coin was added 10 hours ago. Okay, so this is basically what I'm talking about right here. All right, so the basic question right now is, how do you get to spot these tokens before they actually get listed right here on the CoinMarketCap? Okay, because when they actually get listed on CoinMarketCap, these coins tend to spike in prices. As you can see right here, they have actually been doing well in the past 1 hour and as well the past 24 hours. Okay, majority of the coins over here has been doing pretty well. As you can see, this one right here called Chromosome has been doing pretty well in the past 1 hour. As you can see, in the past 1 hour, it has actually done about 26.34%. And in the past 24 hours, it has done a whopping 107.27%. As you can see right here, guys. Okay, actually scroll further, as you can see, this coin was added right here on the CoinMarketCap 12 hours ago. Okay, so the basic question right now is, how do you get to spot all those coins right here before they get listed? Okay, so guys, the thing is, I was supposed to make this video a course, but based on the fact that I have your best interest at heart, I'm going to be giving you all this information right here for absolutely free. Okay, the only thing I want from you guys is to make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like this video, and you actually share this video to your friends and family if you love them, so they can be a part of the success right here, guys. Okay, because the whole stuff I'm about to review to you guys right here can actually make you consistent money each and every single day. Okay, this is guaranteed, you making money each and every single day. So this is no cap. All right, so just make sure to pay attention to everything I'll be teaching you guys today so you can actually start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away. All right, so how do you spot these tokens? Okay, so there's actually a CoinMarketCap listings bot group where they actually give you daily updates on the coins that will be listed on CoinMarketCap each and every single day. All right, and the most amazing part is they give you updates on the cryptos that will be added right here on CoinMarketCap 2 minutes before they actually add it on CoinMarketCap. Okay, I hope you get that sentence correctly. All right, so when they actually give you this update, you quickly go over to your Trust wallet and then you actually purchase these tokens before they get listed. So when they actually get listed, you also get to be a part of the trend, just like these tokens over here that has been doing well within the past 10 hours and as well 12 hours. Okay, as you can see, they are both on Solana blockchain. All right, so I hope you get the concept. So guys, I'm going to be leaving a link to that group on my Telegram and WhatsApp community. Okay, I'm not going to be leaving a link to that group on this video description, but rather I'll be leaving a link to that group on my WhatsApp and Telegram community. I'm going to be leaving a link to my WhatsApp and Telegram community down below this video description, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over to the video description and join my groups to actually get access to the CoinMarketCap listings bot group. Okay, so you can actually get to see all those coins before they actually get listed right here on CoinMarketCap. Okay, so I'm going to be going over to the CoinMarketCap bot listings group right now so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on the CoinMarketCap listings group right now. So as you can see over here, all these are the tokens that were actually updated on the group before they eventually got listed, probably 2 minutes or 5 minutes later. Okay, as you can see right here, this one called Justice for Suche, and this one over here called Cow, this one right here called Opimentis, as you can see, this one right here called WY Skill. The symbol is WYS, as you can see down here. As you can see, they actually gave you the decentralized exchange where you can actually purchase this token. As you can see, it says poolcoin.app, and down below here is the Chizo terminal token we just saw a while ago. Okay, all these tokens are all listed there. So this one right here is the last one that was listed, so that is the reason why it was actually showing at the top, the Chizo terminal. Okay, so it was actually showing at the top list recently added tokens on CoinMarketCap as at December 30th 2024. Okay, if I actually scroll down here, as you can see, it was actually updated as at 2:40 p.m. as you can see down here. Okay, so if I actually go back there right now to the CoinMarketCap, as you can see, guys, so this is it. Shizo terminal was added 10 hours ago, okay, on the Solana blockchain. And as you can see, the current volume is about 3,135,280. Okay, so this volume right here actually means the total buy and sell of the Chizo terminal token right here and all other tokens you see over here. Okay, so each and every token has their individual volume. As you can see, the total persons that has actually been involved in this Chizo terminal token within 24 hours buy and sell is actually $3,135,280. All right, and over here that says fully diluted market cap, it actually means the total supply of this token. Okay, so the total supply of the Chizo terminal token right here is actually worth $20,905,312. Okay, so I hope you understand all these concepts. They are very, very easy to understand. All right, so that is it, guys. So the basic question right now is, how do you purchase these tokens? Okay, so guys, it's quite easy. All you simply do is go over to the CoinMarketCap bot listings group. I'm going to go over there right now, guys. Here we are, guys. So what you do next is you need to copy the contract address. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is the contract address down below here. So you just simply copy the contract address and then you head over to your notepad, guys. Okay, so while you are here, you just simply paste it right here, and then you actually erase this place that says HTTPS. You just erase it off from here. Okay, I'm going to erase right now. Okay, and then when you're actually done erasing, you just simply copy just this place over here. Okay, just the contract address. As you can see, starting from H right here, you just copy it, and then you actually head over to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my Phantom wallet right now, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Phantom wallet. All right, so for those of you who doesn't have a Phantom wallet, you can just simply go over to your Google Play Store or your Google App Store to actually download one. Okay, so when you actually don't download, then you just set up your Phantom wallet and make sure you save your secret phrase, guys. Okay, so you can easily get access to your Phantom wallet whenever you want. All right, so guys, when you actually here, the next step would be you first of all need to have Solana right here on your account. Okay, so how do you actually get Solana? You can simply get Solana by going over to your centralized exchanges like your Binance, your Bybit, or whatsoever one you are using, and then you actually purchase USDT right there. So when you purchase USDT, you then convert your USDT to Solana. Okay, But guys, we actually sell these cryptos. If you want to purchase the Solana crypto, the USDT crypto, the BNB crypto, the Ethereum crypto, whatever crypto you actually want to purchase, we got you covered on the PayTzar crypto trading group, guys. Okay, it's quite easy. You just simply need to go over to the group. I'm going to be leaving a link to that group via this video description. So just go over there, guys. And when you actually go over there, just simply write on the group stating whatever crypto you actually want to purchase. Okay, so later you actually want to purchase the Solana. All you simply do is come over to the receive section over here and just hit on Solana, as you can see over here, and then you actually grab your Solana wallet address. So when you're actually done grabbing your wallet address, we can easily credit your account after you have actually made payment for whatever amount of Solana you want to purchase. Okay, or you can simply go over to your centralized wallets like your Binance or your Bybit and send in Solana if you have that in your wallet already. Okay, so that is basically how you can purchase your Solana. All right, so when you have your Solana on your wallet already, the next step would be hitting on this place down here, and up here that actually shows a search bar. You just simply search for Radium. Okay, RAYDIUM. Okay, so as you can see down below here, this is Radium. You just simply hit on it. So it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Okay, guys, so here we are. So as you can see over here, the next step would be connecting your Phantom wallet to your Radium DeFi. Okay, so how can you do that? So as you can see up here that says connect, you just simply hit on connect, and up here that says Phantom, you just simply hit on Phantom, guys. Okay, so this is basically how you can connect your accounts. Right, so when you're actually done connecting, the next step would be hitting on the slippage option over here. Okay, and then you actually set it to be 1%. The reason is so that your transactions can go really fast. All right, so when you're actually done doing that, the next step would be hitting down below here that says Ray. Just simply hit on it, and then you actually paste the token address we copied from that crypto listings group. Okay, and then as you can see, this is the Chizo token. You just hit on it. Okay, so as you can see over here, we just added the token right here. So as you can see, Solana is supposed to be up right here and the token would be here, because we're actually converting Solana to the Solana meme token, which is a Chizo. Okay, so when you are done, let's say you actually have some Solana on your account and you actually want to convert your Solana to this Chizo meme token. Okay, you can just simply type in, let's say, $5 worth of USDT to Solana. Should be around 0.4 or something like that. Okay, this is $75. Okay, let's say 0.04. Okay, it's around $7. Okay, so this is going to give you the sum of 363 Chizo. Okay, and then you can just simply scroll down here and purchase it. Okay, as you can see, they say that I currently have insufficient balance. All right, so when you are done purchasing, guys, it's going to be showing on your portfolio over here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to stay alert watching your portfolio to see how your coin is doing. Okay, so you won't actually end up losing your money. All right, so guys, this strategy is actually risky, and at the same time it can actually make you the most amount of money for yourself. All right, so like I said, you simply need to stay on your portfolio watching how the money rises, and you can actually take profit at any time you want to take profit, guys. Okay, so mind you guys, this strategy is for meme tokens that are mainly on the Solana blockchain. Okay, so let's say you have actually made some profit from your token and you want to swap back to Solana. All you can simply do is hit on this place up here that says swap. Okay, and boom, guys, you can easily swap your meme token you purchased to either Solana or whatsoever token you actually want to swap with. Okay, as you can see, there's actually USDC right here. There are other tokens you can actually swap with. As you can see, there's also USDT. Okay, to be on the safer side, you can actually swap to USDT, which is a stable coin, as you can see right here. So this is basically how you can go about this, guys. All right, so guys, if you want a practical video showing you exactly how this works using real funds, just like I've explained so far, just leave a comment down below saying, hey Don, we need a practical video. Okay, so if I check down the comment and see a lot of response regarding what I just told you guys to do, I'm going to be making a practical video showing you exactly how everything works. Okay, so guys, I don't want this video to get too lengthy. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button for amazing videos like this, and as well like this video to actually reach out to much more persons who are interested in videos like this. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.